What's up, everybody? Kind of a quick video today. It's an unboxing slash discovery. Now, did I already figure out whether or not this is actually going to work? And will this video ever see the light of day? If you're watching this now, yes, it worked and it's seeing the light of day. But what we're doing today is we're going to affix the magnetic latch mount to the GoPro with the GoPro Max mod. The reason being is there have been so many times where I forgot my Allen wrench. So many times, it's happened like 3 or 4 times. I forgot my Allen wrench, so my GoPro is tightened on with this bolt. And then when it's time to switch out the battery, there is no way for me to take my GoPro off of my helmet to get a new battery in there. So usually I'll panic and I will end up charging, which is nice because it can charge through the media mount. But it would be nice to just be able to swap this out, swap the battery out, and be done with it. So we're gonna see if we can solve that problem by doing just this. So we're here, we've got the Max Media mod here, magnetic mount, the GoPro magnetic mount latch. This is actually GoPro brand. So we're just gonna open this up. And again, if you're watching this video, you already know that it worked. So all that packaging for that and for that. So this little plastic back, I don't know what this is for, but we're gonna take it off. Oh, so I think this is just protecting, because if you can see there's a GoPro logo on there. Okay, so let's see here. What is this thumb screw for? It definitely does not fit on the bottom of the camera. Oh, maybe it's a GoPro screw. This fits the GoPro. Okay, not worried about that right now. Although this thumb screw looks like it's, oh, did we just solve our problem without having to get another mount? We're gonna test this out because this might be a solution before the solution, okay? So here's my GoPro, this big thumb screw here. So I have lock nuts here. So it won't work with my setup currently because the screw that I use is kind of the perfect size. So we're onto something here though. This might be a solution if when I put the magnetic latch mount on, it makes the camera sit up too high. That's one of my worries. So we're just gonna, oh, that's really on there. Okay, so you can hear that probably from the mic. This is all metal, which is kind of a big deal because a lot of the GoPro stuff is plastic, but this magnetic latch is metal. So this is ASMR. There you go. And this was another one of my concerns. How strong was this magnet? And it doesn't just rely on the magnet. There are clips that go inside of the GoPro. So problem number 1 solved, okay? So here we go. We're gonna mount this onto the GoPro, and already I can kind of tell that this is low profile enough that it's not gonna add so much to this camera that it's gonna make it so that I'll feel like, okay, how easy was this video? Okay, there we go. It's not adding a lot of weight. It's not adding a lot of height. And there we go. It's on there. Ta-da. Now, oh, I forgot my wrench. No worries. Just pull that out of there. Gonna ruin my Max mod. Now, there will be a link for this magnetic yes, it's hard to say. There'll be a link for this magnetic latch mount in the description, so you guys can pick one up for yourself. It's got the GoPro logo on there and everything, which again, it's not a really big deal, but kind of cool if you're into brand names. You've got the Max Media mount, so that you can have a simple motovlog setup with your microphone that goes right into the helmet. But you always had to carry around an Allen wrench so that you could switch out the battery. Problem solved. That's the video. Good night, everybody. No, really, that really is the end of the video. So you guys, if you have been struggling with this, if you've forgotten your Allen wrench and have been just struggling because you've been out all day on test rides, or you're just out on a scenic ride and your battery's low and you've brought all these extra batteries but you can't swap them out because you didn't bring your Allen wrench, so you cannot remove your camera from your helmet. The solution is here. Does it mean that you have to get a compatible GoPro? And at the bottom of the screen here, I will have the compatible GoPro models that you can use this latch mount with. But if you have that GoPro and you have been using the media mod so that you can have a really simple motovlogging setup, or maybe you're not a motovlogger, maybe you just use this setup, you don't have to worry about forgetting your Allen wrench. So that's all for this video, you guys. If you found this helpful, if you're going to use this, if you're going to use that link in the description, I will make a little bit of money off of Amazon. So yay, capitalism. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you found this video helpful, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Everybody, if you're out there riding, please be safe, be kind to one another. My name is Eric, I'm that one guy, and I am out.